Bangladesh has been shaken by violent protesters and is witnessing clashes over job quotas nationwide. Let us understand why the situation became bad to worse. First, let me explain you what the job quota protests in Bangladesh are all about. Well, the job quota system in Bangladesh was created to make sure that marginalized groups have a chance to get government jobs. And this has been a topic of heated debate. People against the quota system say it keeps inequality and stops fair chances based on merit, while some in favor say it helps disadvantaged groups, said an Al Jazeera report. But this fighting has shown big differences between rich and poor people of Bangladesh. On Tuesday, the situation reportedly became violent as protesters and students groups supporting the government engaged in physical attack against each other and using bricks and bamboo rods. Meanwhile, the police used tear gas and rubber bullets to disperse the crowd gathering of rallies. Well, this clashes escalated tensions further amid ongoing protests over government job and hiring policies. In several cities of Bangladesh, at least 6 people lost their life during ongoing protests. But despite appeals from Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and the Supreme Court to return to their normal activities, the protesters continued their demonstration, and this difference led to a tragic outcome as the situation remained tense and unresolved. According to reports coming in from Bangladesh, the government has ordered schools and universities across the country to close immediately after the 6 people were killed in protest over quotas in government jobs. All high schools, universities and Islamic seminaries were told to stay closed until further notice due to ongoing protest against government jobs. 3 people died in Chittagong from gunshot wounds and confirmed by a doctor at Chittagong Medical College Hospital, while hospital director Mohammad Taslimuddin also reported that 35 others were injured during the clashes in the port city. Well, as the day went on, an ongoing protest blocked key highways across the country, and authorities sent the permanently border guard Bangladesh force to 5 major cities, including Dhaka and Chittagong. And this ongoing situation resulted at least 2 people died in Dhaka. On the other hand, in the city of Rangpur, Police Commissioner Mohammed said a student died during the clashes there. Meanwhile, students have urged the government to stop the quota system that reserved over half of the government job position for certain groups, like children of veterans from Bangladesh in 1971 war for independence against Pakistan. Well, this tragic incident shows how important is it to solve problem peacefully. So what do you think about the ongoing situation? Share your thoughts in the comments below,